Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jasmine Estates local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is over 50 miles from your current residence. We have a good reputation for keeping your belongings safe throughout the entire transit. We have valid licenses and work with the appropriate authorities to move belongings over local and long distances. Our long distance moving services are fast and efficient. Our movers are cautious and organized. Our moving trucks are perfect for carrying heavy items over long distances quickly. Our drivers are highly disciplined and have a lot of experience making long-distance trips. We move all your belongings to your new location at the right time. Our local moves are prompt and affordable. We get high referrals from the locals because we are reliable and always available when you need our services. One of our most outstanding qualities is our exceptional customer service. Our local moving services are also the cheapest you can find. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We have made it possible for our clients in Jasmine Estates to access exceptional services at affordable rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jasmine Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.